We were here and there was a sink here, I would actually literally pour it into here so you can see it. This one here, this is tap water that comes straight from the tap. Straight from the tap, whether it's in your house, whether it's at the restaurant, whether it's at your mom's, grandma's, if it comes out of the tap water, and that's the one that you're paying for East Bay mud or whatever, this is the stuff that comes out of your sink. Oh, thank you. And then, is that the OTO? Is that pretty? No, thank you. Oh, there's a little bit. Okay, first off, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna do the water demonstration really quick. We're gonna make it simple, okay? I want you to be able to see what's gonna happen. Right now, this is a clear glass. I'm waiting for another one because what's gonna happen is I'm going to grab some tap water that's straight from the sink, put a little bit in there. And for most households in California, pretty much 80% of everybody, they use tap water regularly, right?
Yeah.
You use it to drink it. You use it to wash your salads with. You use it to make ice cubes. You use it for everyday uses. I'm still waiting on the, just need another glass so that we can compare the water filter on there. Because water, when it rains and it goes into the reservoirs, right? It just goes straight into the reservoir. For the most part, people think that that water is fresh and that it's really, really good. But everybody has to remember that that water from the reservoir has to go somewhere and go into a pipe, and then it gets flushed out or sent out to our communities, whether it's our businesses or our homes. And once it comes into the community, right, you have to remember that those pipes have probably been sitting in the ground for decades. And naturally, water and metal will decompose no matter what, even if the water is flowing through there. So what happens is a lot of things are in our water that are in the tap water. This is the tap water, and this is the water from the eSpring. The tap water goes into your house, goes through the eSpring, the filter, and then it comes out and you can use either one. But just by looking at it in this clear glass, it both looks clear. It looks really good, but you really can't tell what's in either one. So what we have here is we have some OTO, which is a chlorine indicator. And what it is, this will just kind of show what's going on and what's inside your tap water and then what happens after that. So Navarro, can you come up here please and just put some drops in each one. There's not much, but just try to distribute it evenly and we'll see.
We're gonna start with 3 in each one.
Yeah, let's start with 3.
Then 2 more.
All right.
And that should be
All right, that's plenty. And I don't even have to do anything. You can already see the difference. It's that simple. It's that simple. This is the tap water that comes from your sink. You can see that there's a little bit of yellow, right?
Yeah.
And what that yellow is, that means that there's chlorine in the water. That means there's chlorine. The thing is, you have to remember, the government puts chlorine in your water so that it kills all the stuff that's coming into your house. And for the government, this is an acceptable amount of chlorine to go into the water, that they're okay with you and your family drinking it, right? But for me, I don't know if I'm okay with my family drinking this. And this is the water. It's the same thing, but it comes through the eSpring filter, which filters out all these contaminants on there. So which one would you rather drink? It's easy, right?
Yeah.
This is the one to drink. So that's just the water demonstration. As far as the eSpring unit itself, I've been focusing on it for the last month or so. No matter where you live, there's information out there. You can go to, and I've already done, it's okay, Tommy.